Hello, I've seen you on the cartoons.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, Jerry.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jerry.
Got a lot of junk out here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Jerry.
I realized you came a long way, but I don't know who else I could call, because everybody I called when I asked us, do you do this? No, we don't do this. So what the hell do I need you for?
Right.
I could go buy the mouse traps, you know what I mean?
Yep.
I like all your videos. You know, most people talk about Kim Kardashian. Look what I get to talk about.
Right. Look at, they missed this here, Jerry. This goes right up in your attic.
It's real good exclusion work right there.
No, yeah.
Now, if I didn't know any better, I would say that that was sarcasm.
Rats are so aggressive, they chew through his trash can lid here. Garage smells like rat urine, for sure.
You go back there on the shelf, there's probably one bottle there.
Bunch of antifreeze, you guys, that the rats chew through and cause this water heater panda.
You see that?
Oh, yeah. This makes me mad. So the pest controller, he did a good job. Used the right screws, cut it nice and neat. This is all sealed up. But right here is leading right up into the attic area.
You had one job.
These deer mice, they can climb up these walls really, really easy and get in here. So this is a water pipe that leads into the garage. Another entry point right there that was missed. Oh, look at this guy. Look at, oh, and there's droppings in there. Look at the nesting material in there.
I just don't think you tried hard enough.
Take a look at that.
Oh, no way. Look at that, you guys. That goes right up into the attic area. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is pick up all of the rat traps that the pest control company left here. These are my least favorite rat traps. So in the other videos that you've seen, you could see how effective isolating the different parts of the house. So if you're in a crawl space, seal up all the entry points. So if you do have rats in your crawl space, they're not gonna get up inside the house. But the trapping is so much more effective as well. That's also give you some really good clues. Are they coming from a burrow underneath the crawl space? Are they coming from a pipe? Or if you seal off the attic from the house, then you could set up your monitoring and see how they're coming and going. It doesn't look like it's going to be the Norway rat, the city sewer rat coming in, but we're all the way out here. We want to make sure that nothing is missed. Look at that. Look at all these walnuts. Get it? Wall. You know, wall and then nuts.
I see what you did there. Puns.
Yep, right here. This is their big old chew marks. Let me try to get the camera there for the audience. Right. They've chewed right through to get into the attic. Let's get the smoke machine. Let's get someone in the attic, someone down here, and let's just rule out the sewer system.
Yeah, sir.
All right, guys?
Good to me.
Okay, guys, we're about to take a first glimpse at this attic. As you can see, the homeowner had this zipper installed. Realistically, this is not going to prevent rats from getting inside the house, but it'll at least deter them a little bit. So I'll take you back when this is all unzipped. When we first get up into an attic, the first thing we do is take a big whiff and look around. It smells atrocious up here. You can see already there's chew marks through the AC lines. There's burrows everywhere. Something smells a little bit more off than just droppings though.
I smell something fishy.
There it is, guys. Smells terrible. These homeowners have probably been dealing with this smell for a month, maybe 2 months. This guy's been up here for a while. You can already see, look at those chew marks. This is the area from the top. They've completely dug out these areas. You can see all the grease, all the droppings. They've definitely been using these as highways.
We're pumping smoke. You're in the attic?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting a bunch of smoke in the attic?
It looks like it's just coming down from the top where you guys are pumping in.
Yeah, I think these flashings over here in Texas flash over the vent pipe. So the smoke's going between the vent stack and the flashing and then going back in the attic. Okay, so we definitely ruled out that it is not the city sewer rat getting into Jerry's home here. So now we're just gonna focus on sealing up every hole around the home. So let's get that done. Is it all screened off?
It's got screening on it, but it's kind of done pretty.
Can you rephrase that?
Yeah, there's a little bit on here, but there's definitely some openings going into it.
Sounds much more intellectual, thank you. This is where King Rat sits and monitors his little kids, his little puppies running around. I just completely disagree with just leaving random rat traps everywhere. Focus on a couple of designated areas. Secure your rat traps in the attic. Down here, the insulation is not gonna do you any good. They're just gonna flip over. We found an opening where the deer mice can get in. So even though the pest control company sealed this up, they left a big opening at the top there.
I've seen better.
Okay, we're gonna get the water stop concrete. It's the Rapid set. This is amazing. It's a hydraulic cement structural concrete that does an amazing job with not only waterproofing, but also really dries fast. And it's great for all these little openings here. Okay, we're gonna inspect the chimney here.
Hey, you gonna get water?
Look at that, yeah.
You're gonna get water damage.
You're gonna get water in here. That's crazy.
A few moments later.
All right, so we picked up this little chimney cap here. That's gonna fit really nice above that area. All right, so we concreted this in. This is solid, no gaps. Good job, man. Okay, so we pulled out the old dryer vent kit. I'm gonna put this one in and then we'll reseal this up. They make magnetic style ones. There's nothing available the time frame that we're here, so we're just going to use this, and then there's a little flap right here. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. So they did the exclusion work, but then they stopped and left this gap. If you're going to do exclusion work, just extend that over a little bit. Then I would paint that so it doesn't rust out with a brown color. But this is what I'm talking about. That's why you're going to get callbacks for doing exclusion work like that. So you've got the right screws, you've got the right mesh, but you're just leaving this little gap here. It's been a long day, Jerry.
Thank you for working so hard.
We've got the entire perimeter sealed off. Now's the time for rat trapping.
I love this part.
All right, now we are ready for some serious rat trapping. My prediction is if there are any rats left over, they're going to be up in the attic or this garage area here. So that's where we're going to be focusing on setting up the rat traps. The number one problem with rat traps is these rats and mice, they take the bait. I got frustrated, so I came up with this bait tugger here. You want the bait to be inside of these little loops. You want them to dive down in here and hit this to trigger this rat trap. The other thing is, now that's done, so what we do is we take this right here.
You made that?
This is the game changer right here. It forces them into the kill zone. Now they can't take that bait from the side, and these little teeth here for those big rats, when they shove their head in there and they want to pull out, these little teeth right here keep them right there. So once you slide the hoodie on, now you're ready to secure it to our bait station. That way you don't have your rat traps flipping over. And that's what it looks like activated. Now go ahead and put your finger in there, Jerry.
No, thank you.
Because this was a highway here, the runway, I'm gonna set the rat trap up in this area right here. And what we'll do is we'll just take a piece of this drywall, kind of lean it over like that, give them a little bit more privacy. So you can see there's no longer having to secure your rat traps up in an attic when you mount them on top of our bait station. Pretty cool.
Rat trap competition.
We're gonna go over and compete on which trap, outside trap, is gonna be the best. Now, for the twin traps, what we've designed, we're always going to back up our product. Is it really better than the
A24?
Ooh, what's the benefits and features with that bad baby?
So with this bad boy, it's got a live kill counter, so it counts how many rats we're killing at the same time. It uses carbon dioxide, and it has a pin in here with a sensor, and so it goes through in and automatically just stabs the rat.
And what about this one? Now, a lot of you do talk about, Why don't you guys just trap in a humane way?
This is the humane live trap by Have a Heart. I don't personally like live traps. Some work, some don't. It's kind of hit or miss. The reason I like this one right here is because you can bait this with a ton of bait right there.
This is our outside bait station here. What we're gonna do is take baking soda and peanut butter. Load this one up, as you can see, with some Slim Jim. So we're gonna give them a variety of bait here. It'll slide in here. They're gonna come in from here or here, get the bait or get snapped. So leaving your comments, which one do you think is gonna win?
I think I'm taking the dub.
Dave, I think you're in for some trouble.
This should be good.
The awesome part about this thing is you can either go ahead and you can mount it on a wall, so that way they can come up, stick their head into it, and it'll go ahead and just kill them. The other thing that you can do is you can go ahead and actually mount it to this bait station, and you can stick it along a runway. The reason that I'm sticking it over here is because rats, they're pretty neophobic. They don't like things coming from different sides. They want to make sure that they're very secure at all times, so they'll typically stick to these highways. And so with this bait plate down here, I went ahead and I took a little bit of bait and I stuck it all over the inside. So that way we can hopefully attract as many as possible. And the awesome thing is with this CO2 kill counter, it's gonna be able to tell us how many kills we've got. So we're gonna go ahead and get it set and then we'll see how it does.
Okay guys, I can't lie. As a pest control technician, I'd probably never buy this. With the Have a Heart trap, I'm the only twin that has a heart. I'm here to save the rats. I know most of you out there don't want to save the rats, you want to see them dead, but there's some of you that I'm representing today, okay? Already struggling a little bit. Gotta have 3 hands, I guess. What Dave and Cole don't know is I'm gonna smear as much peanut butter back here as I can. Try to attract them away from their traps. I'm gonna put this right in front of Cole's trap as well, so that he doesn't get the rats coming from this whole side. I think we're good to go.
That's where they set the rat traps up, huh? Set this up like that. We don't want any animals, cats, so we created this cover over the snap trap, just like that. We're gonna set up an outside camera on the outside so we can monitor the activity here. So super excited for this challenge here. How much is this thing?
That thing will run about 200 bucks in total.
$200. And this, how much was this?
That one was about 25, I believe.
You got no chance up against the twin traps. Leaving your comments, which one do you think's gonna win?
Day 2.
Day 2. Boy, we had some action last night. We had some action here, but they didn't want to take this bait. We had a little juvenile running back and forth last night here. That little baby there. This right here is proof. These little babies are lured into the trap here, you guys. And look at such a tiny little rat, but we got them. Now, if I didn't have this little hoodie, they can come in from the side and take the bait. That's why I'm claiming these rat traps. You can convert this right here to catch mice as well. That's what we got last night.
Where? Up in the attic?
Up in the attic,
That's a
yeah.
little guy.
There's a big boy up there, and then there's another little juvenile up there. And then there's one running around in the garage, but didn't want to take my bait last night. Are you guys leaving today? Because I've got an idea. Look at the amount of stuff we pulled out of the garage. So it rained here last night. I'll give you a quick update. So for the humane trap, they licked every bit of that peanut butter, but no catch whatsoever, and it was deployed.
Oh no.
That's why we don't recommend these humane traps. Let's check the counter on the A24. Cole?
Let's see. Anything? 0.
Now we did see a possum come in and really loved the twin trap, and he shoved his head right in here. Just lift it up slow. Oh.
Whoa.
It deployed.
The possum might have gone and just stepped on top of the trap because it's too big for
Oh, yeah. Well, we're all wrapped up, guys. New installations, garage smells so much better.
Day 3.
All right, we're back, you guys, because we smacked a big one right up in the attic last night. Unfortunately, he was so finicky that the kill bar hit him in the head. He goes truling around. Check it out. He gets up and then he just kind of slowly walks away. So we got to get up in this attic and see if we can find him, hopefully dead up there. Got blood right there. So hit him pretty good. Justin said, get over here really quick. He sees something over here.
They're right in there. You see him? You see his tail?
Oh yeah.
I saw 4 of them there. Let's take that out and grab them. I got one. Got a little baby. Dave, I need you to get up here. I grabbed one. I'll show you guys my trophy though. Look at him.
All right, guys, so we're gonna set up our rat back up in the attic. We're not messing around. We're gonna load it up here, the bait plate, mixture of peanut butter and Twinkie. Drop it down here like that. We're gonna walk in and hopefully we get to suck up a bunch of little juveniles in here. Okay, we're set back up, you guys. Couldn't find that big rat. I know we got him. So this is activated and we have our little rat back here. Let's suck him up. Let's give him a little bit of a pre-bait there. Okay, not too much, but get him excited.
Several days later.
This is why we can claim that this not only catches rats, but this catches mice. Sometimes you'll get 2 of them in here, catch 2 at a time, but see how their body's right in the kill zone, you guys. Let's take a look at the rat back, see if we sucked up a few.
We caught one.
Pull them out. Oh, wow. We got him good.
Is that the one that you hit before?
No, this is another juvenile.
Oh.
Just got him good. Okay, let's check the rat back.
Oh yeah.
There's 2 in here.
No way, we got 2?
Let's go. They
Show the
stink,
audience, show the
though.
audience, here.
There we go, baby.
Woo! All right, so we caught 2 with our rat back. Where is he?
Right here.
Oh,
Look at him.
oh no way. Yeah, he finally died right here. One important step that the pest control industry is missing, setting up cameras to monitor. Because if I didn't set cameras, I wouldn't have known if you have babies up there, or juveniles, or how many rats.
That's why I appreciate you guys.
This deserves the rat dance.